Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to touch base with you and say a few things that were on my mind and just share some things with you. Um, I am an affiliate with the Home Business Academy, and I have been doing this for several months, and I'm learning a lot. I went through a content challenge with Amy Starr Allen, and have been also looking at some of the stuff that she has got on her YouTube channel and Facebook channel, and I bought from her the YouTube training, and I just now started going through it, and I just wanted to share with you. It's pretty interesting. I have a YouTube channel, but there's ways that I can go back and set it up so that it's much more uh, responsive to the videos that I'm presenting. And so it was just, I went through her training, and um, now I'm going back and step by step revising my channel to do the things that she pointed out. And uh, she mentions in her training too that the Home Business Academy, which I'm a member of, and I have the premium, the HBA premium package, and on that package there is some in-depth training on social media and like Facebook and on YouTube, and so I started. I think I started on the Facebook lessons on there, but I think I'm going to finish up what I'm doing with Amy and then go on to the premium and look at that and see if I can learn more and develop my channel to be more responsive and better. I'm just doing this today. I'm kind of practicing and seeing if I can get better at being a presenter. I'm a teacher, and when I teach, I get goofy and I do stupid stuff with kids, but there's interaction, and this is a little different because there isn't the direct interaction that you have with kids, and so I just wanted to point out that what I'm doing, and I really am excited about the things I'm doing. It's kind of fun, and it's something for an old guy that's looking at to do something in retirement that I think is valuable. If you're out there and you're looking for ways to make a little bit of extra money in your retirement, uh, look at this. The Home Business Academies, you get an 80% commission on stuff you sell, and it's not just the stuff you sell, it's the relationships that you develop. I mean, I'm developing relationships more than I'm selling, and I'm having a lot of fun with the relationships that are there. And so I just wanted to share that with you. It's kind of a special place, and so I want to tell you, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next time around.